What's up, everybody? Happy Friday. JP with Hot Rod Music Studio. Just did a short of unboxing the Baby Terror from Orange, and now we're going to get down to checking it out. So first I want to show you this cabinet that I made. This is all solid poplar construction. Makes it very light. And the cool thing about this is because we've put the Celestion Creamback Neo 12 in it with a neodymium magnet, it's very light altogether. So super light, probably weighs about 6 pounds total. The other cool thing is that it's a convertible cabinet. So closed back, but I also have this panel here you can take off so you can have an open back. And you can see in there it's got the Celestion G12 Neo speaker in it. This is what we're going to use for the demo of the Baby Terror today. So we'll go ahead and get this put back together, get the Terror plugged in, and then we'll do some sound demos. For the demo, we're going to use this Epiphone Inspired by Gibson Custom 59 Les Paul that you've seen on this channel already. Previous videos have included me putting on this wraparound Geiger tailpiece and putting on these locking tuners. So we're going to use this as our vehicle for today through my cabinet that I just talked about. Let's go ahead and fire this up. First, I'm going to set presence, treble, middle, and bass at 12 o'clock. And since we've got a foot switch plugged in, we can test this foot switch volume here. Let's turn it on. I've got gain about at 3. Let's see. All right, so as I mentioned earlier, we've got this foot switch volume knob here. When you have a foot switch connected, this will give you a little bit of volume boost when you click on the foot switch. So right now we're on the standard channel. Also, get a kick out of this. We're using the Pick of Destiny for this video. So this is the clean tone. Again, all the EQ is set at 12 o'clock, and we've got the presence set at 12 o'clock too. Gain's probably about a 3. Volume is also about a 3 or 4. Okay, now let's give it a little bit more gain. Get that orange sound going. All right, so one thing also on this is not only do we have a direct out, so you could effectively record this right into your mixer or your audio interface, but it's also got this tubby knob here, which gives you a little bit of extra mid and low end. So let's go ahead and turn up the volume just a bit. Give it a little bit more gain, more volume. I'm on the bridge pickup. That's with tubby switch on. Here's off. Okay, now we'll go to the neck so you can hear a lot of the warmth. And that's with the tubby switch off. Here's on. And then again, you have this foot switch volume, which is real nice. So if you want a little boost when you're playing. So as you can see, you can get really nice tones out of this. It's a nice, small, portable amp head that can drive pretty much any cabinet. Maybe I'll plug it into this 212 over here that is connected to my rock reverb at some point. But super light, nice to gig with, especially practice sessions, recording sessions, since it has that balanced line out. The mini or the micro Terror had a tube preamp. This is all solid state. Still sounds like a tube to me. Pair this with a really nice cabinet with a really good speaker in it, like the Creamback that we've got here, and you've got a really lightweight portable rig that you can take anywhere and that can stand on its own and hold your ground, even against, you know, playing with bass players and drummers, as you've got enough output here with the right speaker cabinet. You can take this really portable, compact kind of amp head and be able to hang with the likes of this one, although there's nothing like the rock reverb. Just saying. All right. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching, you guys. Super appreciate it. Look forward to bringing you more content, bringing you more demos, and like I said, maybe we'll plug this into this 212 cabinet and see how loud we can get. Thanks, everybody. Have a good Friday. See you later.